Welcome to our YouTube channel. We are thrilled to have you here, and in today's video, we have an exciting product to unbox and explore: the Garmin Zumo XT2 motorcycle GPS navigation system. Get ready to join us on this adventure as we dive into the world of advanced motorcycle navigation and discover the incredible features of this cutting-edge device. As we begin, let's open the box and reveal what's inside. Carefully packaged within, we find the Garmin Zumo XT2, a sleek and robust motorcycle GPS unit that's designed to enhance your riding experience and provide you with precise navigation on your journeys. The attention to detail in the packaging reflects the quality of the product itself, promising an exceptional user experience. Now, let's delve into the product and its specifications, highlighting its advantages and positive aspects. The Garmin Zumo XT2 boasts a 5.3-inch multi-touch, high-brightness HD color TFT display with a resolution of 1280 by 720 pixels. This means you'll have a crystal-clear view of the maps and information, even in bright sunlight. The dual orientation display allows you to customize the orientation based on your preference. Weighing just 12 ounces, 340 grams, the Zumo XT2 is lightweight and won't add unnecessary bulk to your motorcycle setup. It's also IPX7 waterproof, ensuring its durability and reliability even in challenging weather conditions. Whether you're riding through rain or shine, rest assured that your GPS unit will remain unaffected. One of the standout features of the Garmin Zumo XT2 is its extensive storage capacity. With 32 gigabytes of internal storage and the ability to add additional maps using a micro SD card, up to 256 gigabytes, you'll have ample space to store maps, routes, and points of interest for all your adventures. The preloaded street maps provide comprehensive coverage, and the device supports 3D terrain for an immersive navigation experience. When it comes to navigation, the Zumo XT2 doesn't disappoint. It features GPS and Galileo satellite positioning, offering accurate and reliable tracking of your location. The 10 Hz multi-GNSS positioning ensures smooth and precise updates, keeping you informed about your movements on the road. For outdoor enthusiasts, the Zumo XT2 comes equipped with preloaded topographical maps, making it the perfect companion for off-road adventures. You can confidently explore new trails and terrains, knowing that the device will guide you with precision. The ability to navigate a track allows you to follow previously recorded tracks or create new ones, adding a sense of exploration and freedom to your rides. Planning your routes is a breeze with the visual route planner. Simply input your destination, and the Zumo XT2 will calculate the most efficient and scenic route for you. With Garmin Real Directions trademark landmark guidance, you'll receive easy-to-understand, turn-by-turn directions that use recognizable landmarks and buildings to guide you. It's like having a trusted friend giving you directions throughout your journey. To enhance your travel experience, the Zumo XT2 includes TripAdvisor registered traveler ratings. You can discover popular attractions, restaurants, and accommodations along your route, ensuring you make the most of your time on the road. The device also offers route shaping, allowing you to customize your journey by including preferred cities and streets. Safety is paramount, and the Garmin Zumo XT2 provides several features to keep you informed and aware of potential hazards. The device includes traffic information, which can be accessed via the Garmin Tread app. You'll receive real-time traffic updates, allowing you to plan your route accordingly and avoid congested areas. Lane Assist with Junction View is another invaluable feature of the Zumo TX2. You'll receive clear and timely guidance about which lane to be in when approaching complex intersections, ensuring you never miss a turn. The device also includes speed limit indicators for most major roads in the US and Europe, helping you maintain a safe and legal speed. When it comes to connectivity, the Zumo TX2 offers Bluetooth pairing. This means you can effortlessly pair it with a compatible Bluetooth helmet, headset, or smartphone. You can receive and make calls, listen to music, and access other smartphone features, all while keeping your hands on the handlebars and your focus on the road. Additionally, the Zumo TX2 is BLE capable, enabling seamless communication with other Bluetooth low-energy devices. The device provides driver alerts for sharp curves, school zones, red light, and speed camera warnings, ensuring you stay alert and compliant with traffic regulations. These alerts add an extra layer of safety to your rides, keeping you and others on the road protected. Diving into the motorcycle-specific features, the Zumo TX2 allows you to control music and media from your smartphone or MP3 player, making it convenient and enjoyable to listen to your favorite tunes while riding. The sunlight-readable display ensures excellent visibility even in bright outdoor conditions, and the weather-resistant construction means you can confidently take it on any adventure, rain or shine. Garmin Adventurous Routing Trademark is another highlight of the Zumo TX2. This feature lets you select your preferred level of twists and turns, ensuring you're always on the most exciting and scenic routes. It adds an element of thrill and exploration to your rides, making each journey a memorable experience. Rider alert warnings are designed to keep you informed about potential hazards specific to motorcycling. From sharp curves to state helmet laws and speed cameras, the Zumo TX2 provides timely notifications, allowing you to navigate with caution and confidence. The device also offers planned and dynamic fuel stops, ensuring you're aware of nearby gas stations and allowing you to plan your refueling breaks accordingly. This feature adds convenience to your rides, eliminating any worries about running out of fuel in unfamiliar territories. To cater to your motorcycle-specific needs, the Zumo TX2 includes points of interest tailored to motorcyclists. Whether you're looking for cycle repair services, dealerships, or scenic routes, you'll find a wealth of information at your fingertips. It's like having a personal tour guide dedicated to the motorcycle community. Elevation profile and round-trip routing features provide additional versatility to your journeys. You can analyze the elevation changes along your route, helping you prepare for challenging terrain. The round-trip routing feature allows you to input your desired distance and direction, and the Zumo TX2 will generate a round-trip route for you to explore. Keeping track of your service history is essential for maintaining your motorcycle's health, and the Zumo TX2 allows you to log your service history directly on the device. You can easily record maintenance activities, ensuring you stay on top of your motorcycle's needs. Track support and custom map support open up endless possibilities for customization. You can import tracks and routes from other sources or create your own, giving you the freedom to explore your favorite trails or discover new ones. Additionally, Topo Map support allows you to load detailed topographic maps, providing a comprehensive overview of the terrain you're navigating. With wireless ANT Plus registered technology, The Zumo TX2 is compatible with a wide range of sensors and accessories. Whether you want to monitor your heart rate, track your speed and cadence, or connect to other ANT Plus enabled devices, the Zumo TX2 has you covered. It offers a seamless integration of data, allowing you to optimize your performance and enhance your riding experience. In conclusion, the Garmin Zumo TX2 motorcycle GPS navigation system is a state-of-the-art device that combines advanced features, durability, and convenience to elevate your motorcycle journeys. With its high-resolution display, extensive storage capacity, precise navigation, and motorcycle-specific features, it's a reliable companion for both short rides and long adventures. Thank you for joining us on this in-depth exploration of the Garmin Zumo TX2. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring. If you have any questions or thoughts, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content, and we look forward to seeing you again on your next visit. Ride safe and enjoy the road ahead.